Our company was started by my grandparents, Dean and Nan. They started back in 1979 when he retired from the Air Force as a fighter pilot. The second generation owns and operates Deanan. He wanted a business that he could involve his family in, and popcorn was it. My name is Tref Hodge. I'm the Chief of Operations Officer here at Deanan Gourmet Popcorn. When deciding what finished packaging lines we were going to pick, we saw how all these other, even smaller companies were utilizing these robots and the benefits they were getting from them. As our business has increased, we've expanded equipment, and we usually like something that we can add on to. So we knew we wanted that solution in our line, but we were limited on space. The first solution that we had, and this is before the UR20 was even out, it took a lot larger footprint. But when you put it on the floor and you try to work around and operate, we didn't have the space. We couldn't move around it, we couldn't work.
So that was an issue with a lot of other companies where they had big machines, and with this one, it's pretty small and it's really compact, so we can work around with it. So the installation went pretty easy. It was 3 guys came in. They knocked it out in like 2.5 days. We've been using it for about 6 months, I'd say. We only had one small hiccup, but their support was great.
Robotiq allowed for that. It doesn't have the big cage around it, and the footprint is so small, like it's half a pallet, and it's movable. Those 2 things sold me right away.
We maxed out this building realistically, so we need every inch of space that we can get, and the palletizer, it helps us a lot with that.
On top of that, it had 1/3 of the budget that all the other robot companies had proposed. And so when I saw that, the space and the cost, I had to get it.
I really enjoy it. I mean, it's really nice for our baggers here to not have to pick up boxes all day long. If we have a person missing, luckily that kind of helps us out a bit, so we're not scrambling. I like working with it because it's simple. There's really not a whole lot of maintenance with it. It's a simple machine, but it works really well.